Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have an exciting problem to tackle, converting a given string into a zigzag pattern with a specified number of rows. This is number 6 on LeetCode and we'll be solving it in Python. This approach is easy to understand and utilizes a clever row-based strategy. Now before we take a look at the code and break it down step by step, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so in this Python solution, we're given a class called solution that contains a method called convert, which converts the input string s into a zigzag pattern with the specified number of rows, num_rows. To handle the special case when num_rows is 1, we have a quick check at the beginning. If num_rows is 1, we simply return the original string s, as it won't have any zigzag pattern. Next, we create a list called rows, which will store the characters in each row of the zigzag pattern. The size of the list is determined by the minimum number of num_rows and the length of the input string s. We also initialize cur_row to keep track of the current row we're processing and going down as a flag to indicate whether we're moving up or down in a zigzag pattern. We then iterate through each character c and input string s. Inside the loop, we add the current character c to the corresponding row in the rows list using the cur_row index. This way, we build a zigzag pattern row by row. We check if cur_row is at the topmost row, or index 0, or the bottommost row, index num_rows -1, and if so, we need to change the direction of movement by updating the going down flag. Finally, we increment or decrement cur_row based on the value of the going down flag, effectively moving us up or down in the zigzag pattern. After constructing the zigzag pattern, we connectate the characters in each row to form the final converted string stored in the variable ret. We then return the converted string, completing the conversion process. Alright, so let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, subscribe for more, drop a comment if you have any more questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.